She is one of the most controversial politicians.
बैंगलोर से आया हूँ, मुझे 2 मिनट आपसे बात करना है।
Namaste. From how are you feeling that transition from being an actress?
Who is an actress? Pains me, it troubles me, it hurts me, and still people will never open up their mouths.
What the women welfare? How would you like to contribute?
Where the woman spills her tears.
All the interviews what is taken with you becomes more controversial.
Every statement of mine, every video of mine is made a controversy by incapable men.
Who is your motivation for politics then?
Who else can be there? That Stree is Nari Shakti. And I am always there for a woman, and I shall stand by the woman the way Modi ji stood by me. Now August bega Bengaluru ge bartini.
For the very first time, I've come all the way to Hyderabad to interview the MP candidate Madhavi Lata. I'm going to speak to her exclusively on my channel, Speak with Sushant. She is one of the most controversial politicians, is what people think of. But let me actually talk to her and see, is it actually true? Or does media make it a controversy like how you do for me?
We'll go down. पवन, बैंगलोर से आया हूँ, मुझे 2 मिनट आपसे बात करना है बस। I'm here.
Hi guys, hello everyone, namaste. From being this beautiful politician of Nari Shakti in 2024, how are you feeling? That
What is the revolution you want to bring in the politics?
I would want to show through my constituency that politics doesn't mean troubling people. Politics doesn't mean that they keep eating away people's funds. Politics doesn't mean that people are blind. And politics doesn't mean that they can keep doing all such illegal things that they want to do, and still people will never open up their mouths.
What is your vision on the backward class of society? How you want to uplift?
It pains me, it troubles me, it hurts me. And so I would want to stand up for them till the last breath of my life.
And the women welfare, how would you like to contribute?
Where the woman spills her tears, that land never prospers. And we believe in Bharatiya Sanatana Dharma, that Stree is Nari Shakti. And women needs to be respected, and women needs to be given all that applause whenever she does or whenever she wants to achieve something in life. One needs to stand up to ensure that women grows in the next levels far beyond competition. And I am always there for a woman, and I shall stand by the woman the way Modi ji stood by me.
That's absolutely amazing. The last question I want to ask you is probably all the interviews what is taken with you becomes more controversial. How does that become? Actually, does your statements do that, or actually the cut and crop of the media does that? Because I just went through one of your interviews where you said, I'm not a woman, but later you said, I'm a Shakti, that is the Nari Shakti, which is one of the powerful weapons our Mother Earth has. So now, how would you like to...
Every statement of mine, every video of mine is made a controversy by incapable men. What do I do if we have incapable men?
Okay.
And incapable men only make such controversies. Capable men talk about progress and development.
Okay, the last thing I want to ask you is, in the recent interview of Narendra Modi, you would have seen he mentioning some great leaders of Tamil Nadu like K. Annamalai.
अन्नामलाई एक बहुत ही अच्छे आर्टिकुलेट है, यंग है, आईपीएस कैडर में बहुत बड़ी प्रतिष्ठित, इतना बड़ा होनहार कैरियर छोड़ के आया आदमी, और इसलिए हमारे यहाँ तो हर एक को अवसर मिलता है.
For 5 minutes in his conversation, do you think one fine day you will bring a name in such a way that Modi is going to take your name in the conference?
I don't work for somebody to praise me. I work because a duty has been given to me. And the duty to me is given by my elder brother and my father-like figure, Narendra Modi ji. He knows what to do, when to praise, when not to praise, when to lift and not to lift. I just work because I love my Prime Minister.
Who is your motivation for politics then?
Narendra Modi ji. Who else can be there?
Oh,
Who else can be there?
so with what margin are you going to win this time?
I want to give it as a surprise gift to my Prime Minister.
It's a surprise gift for Prime Minister. That's amazing what Madhavi has said. So what would you like to tell Modi ji ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಹಾ
ಮೋದಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿದವರು ನೇತ.
ಹಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಯೂತ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್, ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯದವರು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನು
ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು,
ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗ ಅವನು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾ
ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಅಂದ ವೋಟ್ ಸಬ್ಕಾ ಸಾಥ್ ಸಬ್ಕಾ ವಿಕಾಸ್
ಹಾ
ಅದು ಒರೇ ಅಂದ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯದ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ,
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹಾ
ನಾನು
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸೂಪರ್. ನಾನು ಆದಷ್ಟು
ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಗ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾವು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ. I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Let's see whether she makes it happen. Jai!